Academy 3.0, we are reopening for new enrollees starting in December. So for the first 100 people that sign up, starting in the month of December, you're gonna receive the Govcon launch kit. Inside, you'll receive our Govcon action planner, the Govcon launch book. We're gonna throw in the $1 billion playbook. And also this month, we're gonna put in Julie Bratt's book, Government Contracts Made Easier, where she talks about micro purchases, credit cards, and SAP. So if you don't know what's inside Academy 3.0, let me tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so the last time we had this opening was in August. For all the people that signed up in August, we did what's called the 30-day challenge, and so we'll be bringing that back
to represent them. In fact, they're interested.
Norway has an IT company that has already had contracts with the federal government.
And I said, listen, I'm just trying to help my people, man. I ain't into business of offending nobody. I said, I'm just calling out of this.
The first 30 days after you sign up, we're gonna get together, you're gonna work directly with me on handling whatever your biggest BHAG, we call it, big, hairy, audacious goal. Whatever your big, hairy, audacious goal is, we're gonna work through that in your first 30 days, whether it's meeting with a client, whether it's reaching a consulting client, a teaming partner, or pursuing contract opportunity. I'm gonna work with you in the first 30 days on that. Second thing, after the 30-day challenge, we have what's called the Govcon Grow Lab, because we understand the importance of mentorship, training, education. We want to be able to provide a support system for you. I'm not the only person teaching this. We have 20-something people on our staff, and we're going to be dedicating 5 to 6 core people to service you. So when you sign up for our programs, you're going to get a dedicated staff helping you, working with you, going through the program, and bringing in experts along the journey. And then on top of that, we have what's called the Govcon Vault. And so inside of our vault are all the templates and the documents, everything you need to support you along your pathway to advancing in the government contract space. And just so you know, let me show you what I did. I actually pulled out some of my books. And what these are is I took everything inside the Govcon Vault, I printed it out because I wanted to see how much quantity of material we had, and I put it inside these binders separated by their categories. So this is business development, these are bid forms, this one's on consulting, this one is on proposals. And so when I print all this stuff out, this is what I came up with. So you're gonna get all of this inside the Govcon Vault on top of the 30-day challenge. And if you're one of the first 100 people, you're gonna sign up, you're gonna get this book as well. And you've got the Govcon Grow Lab. And on top of that, we're gonna teach you how to be a middleman, how to be a consultant. We have a specific course just on that's being included inside the program called Govcon Slayer. So if you haven't already made a decision to start with us, we've got 3 different ways that you can pay, starting with a 6-month plan up to a lifetime plan. And for those persons that want to join lifetime, we're going to throw in for you for free target market research. What does that mean? All of the decision makers, all of the buyers for your specific NAICS code, your industry. So we're gonna throw in this document. As you can see, it's 48 pages of reference information. You're gonna get all of the prime contractors that are buying in your space, so you can reach out to them via sub. You're gonna get all the government decision makers, so you can start making phone calls right away. And then I wanna help you out. Something that I recently, my team was doing it for me, and I decided, well, you know what? Let me go ahead and just put that in with people, because if it's useful for me, I think it'd be useful for other folks. So we've created something what we call Rhino's Bid Alert System. I have my team members go on sam.gov. They pull down all of the upcoming opportunities, whether they're RFIs, sources sought, we call them bid opportunities, and pre-solicitation. So they go out on a weekly basis, pull down that list, and then send it directly to my email. We call it the Rhino's Bidders List. And so I'm going to throw in the Rhino's Bidders List for those persons, so you can get, depending upon the program that you choose, you can get from 30 days up to a whole year for free, right? Notifications directly to your inbox on all the upcoming sam.gov opportunities. And if that isn't enough, one more thing. Because this is our 3rd version of doing courses and teaching online, we've been doing this now for more than 5 years, successfully teaching thousands of people, helping them achieve hundreds of millions of dollars in contracts. Because this is our 3rd iteration, we've learned what people need in order to be successful. And so we had our staff go through and comb hundreds and hundreds of emails and notifications from previous students that have taken our programs. And what we decided the best approach to getting started, if you're new and you don't know where to go and you're overwhelmed, we created a learning path for you. And so now when you sign up to our program this month, you're going to be enrolled. Everyone, doesn't matter what level of participation you're in, doesn't matter how much money you spend, we're going to enroll everyone in what we call these learning paths. And so we've created a series of automated messages that are going to come directly to you after you sign up, helping you, guide you along the path of what you should be doing. And so in addition to all of the other supplemental content to support you, so if you want to get into the nitty-gritty specifics on details, you have that already. That's on demand. But then additionally, we're going to be sending you a learning path to help guide you and tell you exactly what you should be doing for the months of January, February, March. And so that way you don't even have to guess anymore. So we've taken all of the guesswork out of getting started in your government contracting journey. And so again, I want to help you, and we figured this thing out, and we think that we've cracked the code to help those of you be successful, because we want to change the trajectory for all people, regardless of race, regardless of background, ethnicity, preference, sexual orientation. We don't care what you look like. We know that you can be successful, and that's what we're doing. We're creating multi-millionaires in this space. We hope that you will be one of the next ones. Sign up today.